Check this out, guys. You're looking at a genuine diamond grill. These are actual natural diamonds. They're not cubic zirconia. They're not CZ. They're not artificial stones. Actual natural diamonds. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. Real diamonds. This is available on our website. Here's the back side. Our website's blingcartel.com. You get custom fitted grills right on our website. We send you out a free mold kit. You get free shipping. Look at that. The beautiful colors here in the sunlight, just bouncing off, dancing on this grill. Look at that. That's real diamonds, guys. Available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.